How to fix Meta Verified or subscribe to Meta Verified option not showing on your Facebook profile. In this video, I will show you the two ways to fix this problem and recover your option. So let's get started. First thing you want to do to recover this option, Facebook add a new feature called Meta Verified or subscribe to Meta Verified. The first thing to receive or to get this option is by going to your Play Store app or App Store if you use if you use iPhone. Search for Facebook like this. Click on search. Then if you have this update option here, you must click on this update and wait until the updating is finished. This is the first way to upload get back the Meta Verified option on your Facebook profile. If this not working, if this first step or first, as we say, if this first way not working, I will tell you, or I will jump to the next way. The next way is go to your Facebook and open it like this. Then go to the three lines at the top right. Then here at the bottom, choose help and support like this. Then click on report problem. Then click on report problem again and wait some seconds. Then click include in reports. Then choose one of your related problem topics. For example, if your problem related with for example, privacy, with profile, for example, with settings, stories, subscription. Well, our problem is related with subscription. We click on subscription like this. Then here I will describe our problem. The problem is about Meta Verified option not showing. I will write a message describing my issue. Then I will back to you. As you see here, we complete our message. The message is like this. Hi Facebook team support. My subscribe to Meta Verified option not showing on my account. I update my app and I did anything to recover it. For example, if you can add this phrase, but still missing in my profile. Please help me to fix this problem very soon. Thanks team Facebook at the end. Now also you can add or upload a photo if you want. Go to the situation or the situated problem, take screenshot and upload it from here. When you finish all these steps, click on the send paper at the top right like this. Then your problem will be reported and will be reviewed by the team or supporter team of Facebook. Now the third solution, if this not worked, is by long click on the Facebook app, then click on app info, then try to delete cache and data of your app, of your Facebook app, and make sure to force stop the app like this. Then check again and again if the problem solved or not. So this is the three way to fix your issue about Meta Verified not showing on your Facebook profile. I hope this video is helpful. Thanks for watching. See you next time.